Hello students, welcome you all in e-learning. Today we are going to see the translation for standard 9th Sanskrit chapter number 4 Valbhi Vidyasthanam. Now there are many universities that are very famous. Among them there are such that a student considered himself lucky if he gets admission to study there. Exactly in the same way in the past also there were such universities in our countries. India. Students coming from distant countries used to consider themselves blessed, having secured admission there. Among these, one was Valbi University, as there was Nalanda in the kingdom of Magad. Similarly, here in Gujarat, there was Valbi. Here also people used to come for study. At present, in Bhavnagar district, which is in our Gujarat state, there is one suburb by the name Valbi, where in ancient time there was Valbhi University. Actually, this suburb was the center of learning and teaching from ancient time. In the past, here the learning of 18 Vedas means branches of faculties of learning used to take place. Among them were included the four Vedas, six Vedangas, Puranas, Nyay, Mimamsa, Smritis, Ayurveda, Dhanurveda, Gandharva Veda, Atharva Veda, and the four Vedas. Later, this became the center of Jain and Buddhist philosophy. In the 4th century AD, Skand Swami, the commentator of Rig Veda, lived. He lived here only. This indicates that the Gupta period, even the study of Vedas was going on. In the 4th century AD, only the very famous Buddhist teachers Thirmati and Gunmati and Sri Mallavadi Suri were studying here only. This indicates the study of Jain and Buddhist philosophies was also going on here. Here, the students studied according to their liking and intelligence. There used to be an entrance test also for admission here. Only after passing it, admission was possible. In the 5th century AD, this suburb was the capital of Maitraka king. According to the producer laid down by the Maitrakas, after the completion of study, there used to be a session interpretation the meaning of scripture passages in the debating assembly. In the session called Sastras, there used to be discussion consisting of refutation and proving, establishing, and different ideas before arriving at the conclusion. The king gave land as a reward to the many candidates who were victorious. Sometimes the name of the victorious were described on the door of the university. Mahavir. Mahavir was born approximately in the 5th century BC. The instructions given by Lord Mahavir then is famous by the name Agam. This Agam was safe for 500 years in the oral tradition. It is indeed heard that in the 3rd century AD, a council of Jain monks met under the chairmanship of famous scholar Nagarjuna. In this meeting, the proposal of writing down the Agam Granth, book of instruction, was placed. Mahavira's speech transcript here became famous by the name Valbi Vachana. In the 9th century AD, the suburb of Valbi was ruined, but even today its remains indicates its prosperity in the past. In this way, Valbi was one of the ancient centers of learning in India, and in the history it still is. So dear students, here our translation is over. You may note down the translation in your copy. Thank you.